octal to hexadecimal, as well as vice versa, octal to hexadecimal as well as hexadecimal to. Now if you understood binary to octal, octal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, it is also simple. Now there is here, while converting octal to hexadecimal, there is no direct procedure. There is no direct procedure. First, what we have to do is first convert octal number into the simple procedure. First convert. There are one more procedure is there, but the simple procedure is first convert octal number into binary. First convert octal number into binary. First convert the given octal number into binary. After converting the given number into binary, then we know how to convert binary into hexadecimal. Are you understanding what I am saying? There is no direct procedure.
Yes, sir.
There is no direct procedure, just like decimal to binary or decimal to octal or decimal to hexadecimal or octal to binary or octal to hexadecimal. There we are choosing bits. In decimal we are following long division or multiplication, but here there is no direct procedure like that. What we have to do is first we have to convert the given octal number into binary. The given octal number into binary. After converting binary number, we have to convert that binary into hexadecimal. Now how many bits we have to choose here? How many
4.
bit representation we have to consider here?
4 bit.
4 bit. Why? Because we are representing hexa. Hexa means 4 bit representation. Okay, a simple, you can tell me randomly one number, one example octal number. One example octal number.
2772.
27
4. 725.
275. Okay, 275 of octal. I am taking a simple number. If you want, you can consider a big number also. It's not a problem for me. We have to convert this into hexadecimal representation. We have to convert this into hexadecimal representation. I already told you there is no direct procedure. The simplest procedure, I can tell you the second procedure, please wait. First, what we have to do, we have to convert this into binary. Now, whenever I am converting this into binary, I have to write individual digits separately. 275, and I have to write a 3-bit representation of each and every digit. Why? Because I am converting this into binary. Binary, whenever you are converting the octal into binary, there you need to consider a 3-bit representation. Now 101, this is my binary number. Okay, this is the binary number what I'm getting. This is my binary number. Okay, you can write down here 010 010 111 101 111 101 of base 2. This is my binary number. This is my binary number, not it is a octal number now. Now what I have to do? Now write this binary number. Am I clear to everyone what I am doing here? Now I am considering this binary number here. I am writing 0 1 0 111 101 111 101. Now I am dividing this into group of 4 bits. This is my first group G1. This is my second group G2. And the final group, whether you are considering or not considering, that is not a matter for us. Why? Because here you see only 1 0. If you want to consider, you can add 3 zeros here. Now what is the value we are getting here?
13.
Okay, always whenever you are writing, okay,
B, sir.
okay,
B, sir.
next to this one,
0, sir.
Now, what is the result we are getting? BD of 16. Am I clear to everyone? In this way, we are converting a octal number into a binary. We have one more procedure. We have one more procedure, but that is somewhat lengthiest procedure when compared to this procedure. The second procedure is, please note down this problem. Please note down this problem in your notebooks. Why? Because I can give you one more example. I can give you one more example. Someone is saying 5. I can write in a different 572 of base 8. 572 of base 8 convert into hexadecimal. 572 of base into convert into hexadecimal. Five 72 of base 8 into hexadecimal. Tell me.
Into decimal.
Someone said answer. Can't hear properly.
27.
27.
27.
178.
170.
Yes, sir. 17A, sir.
17A of base 16. Everyone got the same answer? Or someone
Yes, sir.
different answer?
Yes, sir.
17A of base 16. Everyone got the same answer?
Yes,
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now, the second procedure to convert an octal number into binary, hexadecimal number, into hexadecimal number. Number into hexadecimal number is convert this octal number into decimal. Convert this octal number into decimal. How we are converting octal number into decimal? Multiplication. If I know decimal number, can I convert this decimal number into hexadecimal or not? Can I
Yes,
convert
sir.
hexadecimal or not? What is the procedure I am using here?
Long division.
Long division.
Long division. But here so many calculations are there. And sometimes by mistakenly we are doing some, by unknowingly we are doing some mistakes. While multiplying as well as while dividing the number. That is the reason the simplest procedure is convert. This is the second procedure. In this way also you can convert octal number into hexadecimal number. In this way also you can convert octal number into hexadecimal number. But here unknowingly we are doing some mistakes while performing the calculations. While doing the calculations we are doing some mistakes, and multiplication as well as division uh, is complex when compared to our binary simply bit representations. That is the reason I am following the first procedure. First convert octal into binary. Then binary into hexadecimal. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Are you following, everyone?
Yes, sir.
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 What about the reverse? Can someone tell me what about the reverse?
Hexa to binary, binary to octal.
Very good. Very good. What about the reverse? The reverse is also the same. The reverse is also the same. Reverse means if I want to convert a hexadecimal number into octal number, I want to convert hexadecimal number into octal number. If I want to convert hexadecimal number into octal number, first I am converting this hexadecimal number into binary. I am converting this hexadecimal number into binary, and this binary number I am converting into octal number. How many bit representations here I should consider? How many
3.
bits? 3-bit representation. Whenever you are converting this binary into octal, here we are considering a 3-bit representation. 3-bit representation. I am not solving any problems here. You can do your own. Take any randomly some hexadecimal numbers. Try to convert hexadecimal number into octal number. Try to convert hexadecimal number into octal number. Why?